Pinnacle Cart gives you a lot of options when it comes to shipping. It's probably one of the more powerful features of the cart, which is great. So there's a lot going on here. So we're going to run through each of these individual tabs one at a time. So we've got global shipping settings, real-time methods, custom methods, and then real-time shipping configurations, and then your ensure ship settings as well. So let's start with global shipping settings. We'll just go down the page really slow, and it's pretty straightforward stuff. So do we want to enable shipping? Yes, we do. Do we want to allow international shipping? No, we don't. Do we want to display the shipping price on our checkout page? Yes. Should the cart display the shipping price on the product page? Yes. You can obviously choose no if you don't want to. Allow orders to be completed if no shipping method is available. No, actually, we don't want to do that. Display the, in this instance, actually, we'll do yes. So display the shipping weight on the product catalog page. Yes, we want to do that. So you're going to have needed, obviously, to have the weight of each product listed on there, and it will show that how much the product weighs. You want to enable the shipping quote feature. It says if this is enabled, customers will be able to get a shipping quote for products within their cart before they register and before they check out. So this is kind of a neat feature to have if you're using FedEx or UPS or whatnot, and you've got it plugged into the real-time shipping methods, and you allow people to get a shipping quote. The cool thing is they can type in their zip code and say, okay, it's going to cost me X amount of dollars to ship it, and the system will automatically go out and talk to, using the API, will go talk to FedEx's server or UPS or USPS server or UPS server or whatnot. So that's a pretty slick function there. Display alternative shipping methods when shipping is free. Sure, you can do that. If you have alternative shipping methods set up, most times if you're just going to have real-time methods, then that may or may not be necessary. Is the shipping taxable? No, it's not. Shipping tax class. You can assign different tax classes to the shipping depending upon where you're shipping to and what kind of products you're shipping. So, and we'll come back to that in another video. So we've got the shipping label, text for shipping line item. This is the name for the shipping line item in the order and invoice page. The default is shipping. So you can put, freight, shipping charges, whatever you like there. Free shipping title. We've changed it, instead of saying free shipping, we say free delivery. And this is the name for the free shipping method on the order and invoice page. So when they're going to order something, if you've got free shipping, it's going to say free shipping, right? And the default is free shipping, but you can use something like free ground shipping or free delivery. So we changed ours to free delivery. And then the handling fee. Handling fees are optional. You may set up a handling fee as a percentage of the sale or a flat rate. So currently we don't charge any handling fee. But if you wanted to, you could say, you know what, we're going to charge a $12 handling fee. Is it taxable? No. There's no. We can also set up an additional tax class for this, and then show handling separately. If handling is not separated, then shipping tax will be applied. If it's in fact taxable. So shipping is not. Do we want to show handling separately? Typically, you would, so people can see what that is. Or you can, if you don't, it'll add it to the shipping cost. Know too that if you don't show handling separately, and you do charge a handling fee, when someone goes to get a real-time quote and it says, hey, it's going to cost you $15 to ship it, and then they go to their checkout and you're piling on a handling fee, that shipping charge is going to then say $27 if it's $12 here and $15 for shipping, and that can be confusing to the user. You go, wait a second, I just got a quote and it said $15, and now it's saying that because you're not showing it separately, it's bundling it with my shipping, and now it's $27. That doesn't make any sense. It can be confusing. So if you're going to charge a handling fee, when we did charge it, we actually showed it separately, so it wasn't confusing to the user. So, but that's ultimately up to you. And then obviously you can put in where your shipping origin for the real-time stuff. So if you've got this information will be used to calculate real-time shipping costs. Please enter in the origin information for all shipments from your store. So if it's coming from your store, then this is obviously the address. If it's coming from a drop shipper, if you've got one, then this is where that information would go as well. And that's it for the global shipping settings. Pretty basic stuff and simple. Again, just be mindful of if you don't show handling separately, it's going to bundle it with the shipping cost. And if they get a shipping quote, the quote that on checkout will be higher because your handling fee will be included in that, and that could confuse people. So just a heads up. In the next video, we'll go through this real-time methods tab.